My interpretation of ukuthandaza would be that ukuyoxolisa ebazalini for umbhedo engiwenzile, to go and humble myself to my parents for my own shortcomings, for my own mistakes, for my own faults, and to plead for their forgiveness. Not to some invisible force or some white man in the sky with a beard, with some hey Nkosi yami, I'm not racist, inixolele. Some man with a white beard in the sky, that's what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to say, I'm not pleading for forgiveness from some old man in the sky. You know? It's begging for forgiveness to the very person you wronged. That is ukuthandaza. Ukukhuleka is a personal thing. It's me binding myself to my own convictions